Hello, my friends, and welcome to the Capital Allocation channel. So today I want to give you all a privacy coin update, but before I do, I want to go ahead and give a little context to the overall market. So here's Bitcoin sitting at 57,000. We've got a sell on the TradingView technical indicator. If you follow my work, you know I like to use the Ichimoku cloud with Heiken Ashi candles. And here we are positioned directly in the middle of this cloud. So in the area of the cloud, this is an area of indecision. There is essentially a battle between buyers and sellers, but we have several other bearish indicators, such as the price going down below the baseline in the conversion line and the conversion line going below the baseline. So short term, temporarily bearish, but as you all know, during periods of consolidation, these two areas really look very, very similar. So we will have to see, but right now we are in an area of indecision. There's a different story with Ethereum. Ethereum has a strong buy, and this is a very bullish chart. So Ethereum was in this channel here, broke down and caught support right on this cloud area. So we are in an uptrend here, and if I go ahead and extend this line, it is possible that we hit some resistance. This would be all-time highs though, so quite interesting what we're seeing with Ethereum here. We have a strong uptrend. Meanwhile, Bitcoin is falling. So keep your eyes for sure locked on Ethereum for the next few days to few weeks. Could be really interesting if this breaks out above all-time highs. I would not be surprised. So as you all probably know, the privacy coins are not doing well currently. I think this is a trend that could continue in the near future. It's really unfortunate. People are going after these meme coins and not looking at the fundamental problems. And as I'm sure many of you are familiar, if not, go look up some of the videos of John McAfee on my channel. He's 100% right on everything. So yeah, go ahead and watch those. Some amazing interviews. Really cool guy. But unfortunately, now is apparently not the time, and people have not seen this, at least in the current moment. And so we have a general drop in the privacy coins. So Monero's getting hit a little bit. It's kind of trading around in this range. We are below this cloud, so it looks like we could potentially roll over and go lower here as there is focus on other areas in the crypto market. Also, Pirate Chain broke down below this support area. There was a support level at $2.10 at $2, and then it was chopping around, and it was staying above about $1.80. But we've now dropped down below that. There's no support to be seen. This thing, there's nothing to trade off of here, no technicals. There's no areas of support. And so this is in a downtrend and looks to be in a dangerous area. Now that people are seeing this continue to break down and break down, I would not be surprised to see capitulation in the market and people just giving up, throwing in the towel, and chasing greener pastures, myself included. It's very disappointing to see this here. So Darrow, chopping around in this range. We do have a support area around between 1735. So 1630 to 1730, around that area, there's a level of support. So we could have some temporary support there, but it is definitely possible we could see a further breakdown here as well. This has done nothing for the past several weeks. I do think this could go up long term, but short term, sell indicator, we are in a downtrend. So Haven, we are slowing on the momentum, and here really is where the battle begins. If we get a strong green candle and these Heiken Ashi candles, if you can I like to look at them both ways sometimes, but if you get candles with no wick on the bottom, that is a strong bullish signal with these type of candles. But it looks like we could be breaking down further. So again, we're neutral, and I share this opinion. I think we will have to wait and see here. If we drop below around $9.10 or so, we're definitely going lower. And yeah, we will have to wait and see which way this chart turns. It should be very obvious. If it's not obvious, I don't like to trade it. I like to be very conservative, make sure the pattern is very clear, very obvious before taking an entry. And then personally, I get out always too soon and sell too early, but that is the type of conservative investor that I am. So this is one to watch, but at this point, Ethereum is very, very interesting. So keep your eye there. Try not to lose focus on some other coins, and definitely at least check that out and see where it is. So Epic Cash, this thing had a nice bounce. It's hard to say with patterns that are these extreme. So you could see this as the continuation of a downtrend that will fail. That's probably likely. It does look like recently we are starting to roll over, or at least the momentum is slowing, but this is a very small market cap coin. This could obviously double to triple quite easily, no problem. So definitely keep your eye on this one. This could be a multi-bagger, but it is difficult to find an entry point where you don't get shaken out on a temporary drop. So yeah, keep your eyes on this one. Definitely a possibility here. The one coin that I see nobody talking about, Ghost, even a smaller market cap. I mean, this thing could 10x if people gain some interest in this. And personally, I just like it due to the connection to John McAfee, but that is just me. So we're getting some support here. We're really not going anywhere. As Bitcoin has been dropping, this has at least been steady, so that's definitely interesting. But this is just one I like to go back to and watch and just see, is anyone picking up on this coin, because it is so small and could potentially lead to large gains if the word were to get out, and if we could actually get people to be interested in a coin like this. And with Pirate Chain doing what it's doing, it almost makes me want to. Anyway, I don't want to bail on Pirate Chain. I love Pirate Chain, but Ghost is an interesting one as well. So keep your eye there. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. I hope no one is losing money on these privacy coins. And although the utility of privacy coins is definitely there, get your gains where you can. If these things are not performing, find areas in the market that are. There's nothing wrong with that. You can always switch your gains back into gold or privacy coins, but don't overly focus on something that is not performing for you. So anyway, that's my advice. Obviously not investing advice, just my opinion, but hopefully everyone is doing well in these markets. So thank you all, everyone. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.